I just automate my whole marketing process using Claude Code. And in this video, I am going to share the step-by-step process how I did it. So basically, I automate my whole email marketing using Claude Code. Claude know what is my ICP, what is my offer, and he find the targeted people they are ready to buy my service. Then he verify that leads that it's valid or invalid. Then only if that leads are valid, then it's sent to my 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗵 campaign and run the campaign to send emails in the bulk. That's how I automate my whole process of email marketing. Claude write my copies, Claude do A/B test, and everything managed inside Claude. And this is what I am going to share you today how we can do it. If you don't know, so we are building AI operating system. If you don't watch my last video, highly recommend just go here and watch this video first, because in that video I share everything how you can make your AI operating system, and then only watch this video. So you can see, if you watch this video and follow the steps, you will on this position where have all your operating system folders. Now what I did, I just share you. So basically I connect my different tools using Claude Code. So first of all, as I say, we want to scrape data, and for the scraping data, one of the cheapest option and the best option is 𝗵𝗵𝗴. So you can see we use 𝗵𝗵𝗴 to scrape all the data. From here you can use different type of scrapers. It have Google Map scraper or variety of different scraper, but I use this one, which is, you can see, lead finder using Apollo. It's Apollo alternative. It's little bit expensive, so I want to find the different one, but this is best for now. You can see I scrap lots of data using it. I just connected my 𝗵𝗵𝗴 with my Claude Code, and using API, Claude do all of the stuff. He run all these recent actors and all the leads he scrap. He just give me the leads. I don't know what's happened right here, because everything is managed from Claude Code. You can see you just want to get this one. Also, if you want to verify this email, it's highly recommended that you verify that email. So we use million verifier. This is just the tools what I used. So you can see I just buy a few credits from here. Like I buy 50,000 credits, and it's more than enough for me right now. You just want to upload the CSV file right here, and it will verify. You can see this is the run what we did. And also I don't touch this tool. Claude do it for me using API. And the last one, which is we use 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗵. You can use different tools like Instantly is also the best tool, but Instantly is little bit expensive. That's why I choose this one. You can see I have 98,000 credits and it's never expiry, so I don't want to buy it again. And I buy the lifetime deal of Instantly, because Instantly giving a deal where you get lifetime tokens. It's not sponsor, it's just what I am using, so I just tell you what I am doing. As I say in previous video, that we are going to connect different tools using connectors. So this is all the different tools that we are going to connect using API connection. If you don't know what is API, so I just explain in a simple word. Just think about a middle person who can connect two different tools, like let's say 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗵 and Claude Code. The API are going to connect these two softwares. So this is what working of API. I just explain in the simple word. Now I will show you what I do. So first of all, I just come into Claude and just say, from now I want to install and operate my full email campaign right here inside the Claude. I just tell what type of client acquisition we use. So like I use Fiverr, and I want to automate my email operating system and YouTube. This is all the client acquisition what we do in AIOS Transform. And I just say it to create different folders for them. And most important, you want to install this skill. So this is a skill that I found out on the internet. It's a 𝗓𝗓𝗪𝗧𝗵 skill. Shout out to them. You just want to come here in this page. I will give this in this link in the description. You just come here and just copy this. Just copy this and paste it right here and hit enter. Now I will explain what this skill do. So this skill have 9 to 10 different skills inside that help you to operate your full email campaign. It's just a quick start that you can use to operate your email campaign. So just paste this skill and hit enter. After that, Claude will install all of your dependency. You can see my limits are already exhausted. I used a lot of usage yesterday. So that's why all my limits are gone. You can see then Claude create his own skills, all the things what he done. It's the cold email quick start and all the list of the skill is right here. And it says you want to require 9 additional specific skills to be installed first. So it says, I just say, yes, you can install this 9 dependency skills. I just say that, and then he install all the skills, and it's actually 10 skills. You can see if we include the quick start one, we can use it for email strategy, email copywriting, A/B testing, campaign deploy. It's have lots of different things. You can simply check it from there. Highly shout out to 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗪. So that's the thing happen. Then the main thing come from here. Now we are using API to connect our different software with Claude Code. So I just explained we want to integrate our email provider, which is 𝗵𝗏 using API. So I just explained that right here, and also I upload this documentation of 𝗵𝗏. What you want to do? Just go right here and search 𝗵𝗏 API doc. If you just search 𝗵𝗏 API documentation, same for others. You can do it for instantly, for 𝗵𝗡, same thing happen. Just go right here. You don't want to read any API documentation. I also get scary of this all things what done right here. I just copy this link and just paste right here in the chat, and Claude will read all the documentation itself. You don't want to take this headache. And yeah, this is the most important thing. Never put your API key inside the chat window or inside any other folder. Make sure all your secrets or all your API keys will be saved in .env folder, because it's the exemption that not going to publish in anywhere. So make sure it's like .env or .env local or something like that. Just paste your API key right there. You can see I don't paste my API key right here. I just say I want to paste my API key safely. So just create the folder, and it created the .env folder, and I just want to replace this API key section and paste my real one. Where you get your 𝗵𝗏 API key, just hit back. Right here, you want to go on account setting, then go to API, and you will get your API key. That's it. Just paste this in .env folder, and say I paste my API key, and just save it. Just type Ctrl+S, and Claude will handle the rest. You can see my 𝗵𝗏 account is connected. I have 26 emails senders, 9 unique domains, and everything. It says 3 of my email have some problems. So I just say fix that, and it fixes it. Like you can take any action inside from Claude. You don't want to go inside 𝗵𝗏 or do the complicated stuff. Claude will handle it for you. You can see now everything is done. Now from that, I just check that I set up all the DNS and all of the thing SMTP. It's little bit complicated. That's why I just take confirmation from Claude Code that I set up all of them correctly, and it says yes, all of them is set up correctly. Then our whole 𝗵𝗏 is set up. So now our first step is done, which is the email provider. You can do using instantly using 𝗵𝗏 or any other software, but I think 𝗵𝗏 is the cheapest option, and it's giving the lifetime deal, so I just grab it. So I don't want to pay again for the lifetime. So our first step is done, which is email provider. Now our second step is connecting 𝗵𝗡. So we are using 𝗵𝗡 to scrap all the leads, and Claude will going to target this lead, find that leads using 𝗵𝗡 and all of the stuff. For connecting 𝗵𝗡, you just want to come here and go to your 𝗵𝗡 account. Same thing, you want to go on the settings tab, go to your setting tab, then API integration, and you can see here have my API key. Just copy it and do the same thing here. Like you can see, I just say let's connect our 𝗵𝗡 for our operating system for marketing. I just explained in more detail, and you can see I just upload the documentation of 𝗵𝗡. Same thing, just search 𝗵𝗡 API doc, and you will get the API documentation of 𝗵𝗡. Just copy it and paste it right there. It will read all the documentation and create a .env where you can paste your 𝗵𝗡 API key. Same thing what you done for 𝗵𝗏. And now our 2 steps are done. Like we connected our 𝗵𝗏 and our 𝗵𝗡. Now we just want to connect our email verifier. I am using million verifier. You can use anyone, any tool, not any sponsor. So I just go here, and you want to go on account setting, then go to API keys, and you will get your API key. Same here, I highly recommend to verify your email, so you get a lot less bounce rate. Otherwise you can do it without verification, no worries. Same thing, I paste the documentation page. You just want to keep the same thing, repeat and repeat, because we are just connecting our tools using API right here. I open the .env folder and paste my million verifier API key, and now our three tools are done: 𝗵𝗔𝗢𝗪, 𝗵𝗪 and million verifier. Now our fourth step is connecting 𝗪𝗀. You can use 𝗪𝗀, 𝗧𝗵𝗵 or any other tool. I connect 𝗪𝗀 and I am using their free accounts. I don't pay any money right there to buy subscription. So I just same thing, you want to go on 𝗪𝗀, copy your API key, and 𝗪𝗀 have little bit long process of connecting, but don't make it complicated. Just copy the 𝗪𝗀 API key, paste it right here, and Claude will handle the rest itself. You don't want to paste your 𝗪𝗀 org, database URL, auth token. Claude will handle everything itself. Like you can see, all my details are filled right here, and now we connected all of our four tools: 𝗵𝗔𝗢𝗪, 𝗵𝗪, million verifier and 𝗪𝗀. Now my whole steps are done to connect all the software. I just say 𝗪𝗀 to create the database where it store all the information, like our leads, our verified emails, our domains, mailboxes, that emails we stored, the reply we get, A/B testing, and everything will be stored inside 𝗪𝗀 database. And one more important thing, I think 𝗪𝗀 have the CLI, so I just install the CLI also. CLI is a lightweight of the API. Like you can see, it have this GitHub repo, so I just find it. I will give this link in the description also. You just want to copy this, and in Claude just say install this 𝗪𝗀 CLI from this GitHub repo, and it will do that. Now you have both API or CLI for 𝗪𝗀. Now you can see we connected all of our different tools using with Claude Code using API. Now we are ready to run our campaign. As you know, we installed 9 to 10 skill at the beginning of the video. Now you just want to use them to run your whole email campaign. You just want to run a specific skill. It will ask you further question. Claude understand what is your ICP. Then when he understand what is your offer and what is your targeted customer, it will then use 𝗵𝗪 to use a specific scrapper and scrap leads. And don't scrap lots of leads at once. Firstly scrap 100 leads, then verify them it's correct or not, and then only scrap leads in volume like 10,000, 20,000, anything what you want. Then when Claude scrap all the leads, you want to say to Claude to verify it using million verifier. So Claude put all the CSV file into million verifier, then it verify that emails, and you will get the verified emails. Then things get easy. You want to write email copy, and Claude also have one skill for email copywriting. So it's cold email copy, I think. We want to check. Just run this skill, and it will ask you more question how you want to write the copy and everything. And when you like that, when you feel yes, now this copy looks good, then we can move forward for the campaign. Like you can see, this campaign is created using 𝗵𝗔𝗢𝗪, and I already see one interested people, you can see, and we get more replies and all of that stuff. This campaign is still running, and this is just the test campaign I run using Claude Code, and it's doing well. So that's why I'm going to scale it to more. This is what I done using Claude Code and automate my whole email sequence. Now I don't want to do it again. I just go to Claude. He know what is my ICP, what is my offer. I just say scrap 10,000 people, it will scrap them. I just say verify them and run our campaign. That's it. I don't want to do all of the stuff manually now. It's just one-time efforts, and now my whole email is automated. This is all the things that I want to share with you. So I hope this video gave you value. If this video gave you value, make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and to see similar type of content in the future. And most important thing, if you don't watch the previous video of our AIOS highly recommend, please click right here and watch it, because without it you don't make any progress. So click here and watch this video, and I will meet you in this one.